Not funny. Not funny at all.
I can't wait to rewatch that. Guess what? I just scared Dad and caught it on camera.
How?
Because he was in the bathroom and then he came out and I went, "Wah!" Chandon, are you staying home with Coke? Okay. So Mommy needs socks. What's that? Giant nachos?
Yeah.
Champ, are you cleaning up the mess down there? Oh, look it. Now you're getting into all the foil. Pick up that foil, bud.
I tried to grab her from money. What? What?
Nothing. Okay. Oh, I almost forgot to turn off the oven.
You have to into a, like...
No, you gotta get on the ice right away. Just save it for when you get home. We'll cover it up, okay? Hey guys, so I just got back from the grocery store and I'm unbagging all my groceries. I'm gonna put them away. But the second I walk in the door, no joke, they're already like checking out what's in the bag and asking for food. So tonight I'm actually going to be making meatball subs. So I'm just about to put all the groceries on the counter. I'll show you guys what I got. And then I will make the meatball subs, but not before I get a bowl of mini meats for Emmett because he's hungry, of course. So I'm gonna get started with the unpacking of the groceries and I'll show you guys what I got. All right, so what do we got? I got 3 packs of juice boxes. The kids already took the other one. Got some onion soup mix, some green beans over here, some crushed tomatoes because tonight I'm going to be making, actually this isn't for tonight, this is for tomorrow. I'm gonna be making lazy cabbage rolls. So I got some thin cut steaks here, some ground beef for meatball subs tonight, and for tomorrow, yes, we're gonna have ground beef 2 days in a row. For tomorrow it's going to be the lazy cabbage rolls. So I also got some sweetened coconut because I'm gonna be making coconut chicken, some mozzarella cheese for our meatball subs, some more tea because I'm running low on teas. So I got a new flavor there. We got some chamomile, I don't really know how to say that. Lemon, and then Mr. Noodles, and I've actually just recently discovered that you can totally like dress up your Mr. Noodles by adding like steamed broccoli, and actually it doesn't have to be steamed. You just add broccoli and carrot in there and just let it simmer for a couple of minutes, and then some Thai seasoning, and it is seriously like special soup from the Asian restaurants. So it actually makes it decently okay. What else do I get? Mini wheats over here, some breadcrumbs for our meatballs, a little bit of a treat for later. Got my cabbage here for my lazy cabbage rolls, some nectarines. These the kids like for snacks. They are the Rice Crisps, can't even speak, Rice Crisps crackers with sesame seeds in it. Over here I've got some butter. I've got the veggie straws, rosemary and olive oil. So those are super tasty. I've been snacking on those. Picked up some bread, some sub buns for our meatball subs. Got some milk, some rice for tomorrow's cabbage roll, chocolate milk, some spring rolls just to have on hand in case we want a snack, some salt because I was just about out, and a little bit of lemonade here, and some cereal. This is like the, what kind of cereal is that? Can't remember what it's called. Oh my gosh, I'm drawing a total blank. But anyways, this is like the knockoff version, but it is super good. I've had it a few times. Anyhow, this is just for a couple of days worth of groceries. I just ran out tonight and picked up a few. I feel like there's never time for grocery shopping anymore. So yeah. So I totally have not been enjoying grocery shopping lately. So I'm just like picking up a few groceries at a time for what I need for like 2-3 meals. Yeah, that's what I'm getting. Are you hungry, buddy? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Good boy. Come on, sit down. There you go. What do you want in your school lunch? Those? That's what they're supposed to be for, but hopefully we don't eat them all. Champ, what are you doing? Eat your food. All right, so I got a little bit of tidying up to do on the table. Champ decided to tear up Chandon's chocolate sheet. They learned how to make chocolate today at school, which was really fun. He enjoyed that. So I'm gonna put that laundry away. Here's another package of juice boxes. Okay, so I'm gonna put these groceries away and get on making those meatballs. Boys, did you have a chance to unload the dishwasher for me while I was gone? Emmett?
What?
Did you guys have a chance to unload the dishwasher while I was gone?
Yeah.
Did you?
Yeah.
Good boys. I'm gonna go check and see.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see, the boys got the dishwasher unloaded for me. That'd be a huge help. Good job! Did you help, Chandon?
Yeah, I got the plastic stuff and I make all the like.
The metal and the glass? Oh, good boys.
After I did all of that, I helped him get the powder knife.
Okay, good job, guys. Now mommy can load the dirty dishes into the dishwasher. I have good boys. They do the dishes. Okay, so I want to get the meatballs made before I put the groceries away because the boys are going to be home just after 8 o'clock and it's 7 o'clock right now, so I better get these in the oven so that they can bake and be ready for when they get home. So that's first priority, and then I'll put the groceries away. What letter is that?
C is for cowboy.
You got it. C is for cowboy. C is for cowboy. So right now Chandon is working on his warm and fuzzies for his class. Instead of Valentine's Day cards, they are doing exchanges of like kind things that they say about each other. So he is working on some right here for his kindergarten class. So he's got 2 done. He's working on the 3rd, and I'm telling him just to stop after this one so you don't get too tired, right, bud? So why don't you just write Brady's and then you can take a break and we'll do some more later.
Well, halfway I write Brady's and I just skip to mine then.
Sure, you can do that. A-Y, leave a space. New word, new word. And erase it. It's okay, you're doing good.
I just don't want
Oh.
to tell you to erase me.
So these are the sounds that I have to hear like on a daily basis. I'm gonna sneak up on them and see what they're doing. And this is what happens in our house. It's time to get ready for bed, dudes.
I need to tell you something.
What?
I know. I know. Yes, I am. Kidding.
Oh, yeah. Charlotte.
Oh!
You warming up, girl? Are you warming up? Is it warm there, girl? Oh, you cute kitty. Hi. Hi, girl. What's happening?
He's trying to be. Ow. Stop.
All right, time to get ready for bed.